Yay! Yay!
You could be. Just be like a princess. It's okay. You can talk, and you can step down, and you can and put your hand on the screen. It's no fear if it is. It is okay like it could be. No fear if it could be like a shot. It's no fear you could go to the zoo or just a fire, nothing. You could go to Disney World. It's no fear. Or meet any princess you want. Tiana, Rapunzel, or Snow White, or Cinderella. No